Hello, everyone. My name is Francesco Gatto. I'm the co-founder and chief scientific officer at Elypta. I guess if I asked you to guess what's the leading cause of death, probably a lot of you will have answer in their head that it's cancer. And it's correct. Cancer has actually become the #1 cause of death, surpassing cardiovascular disease for the first time 2 years ago. And I was raised to believe that whenever you get a cancer diagnosis, that's akin of getting a death sentence. That's actually a bit outdated view. Right now, a thing that not many of you might know is that when you get cancer diagnosis, you can survive up to 5 years, in many cases a lot longer. And I think that that's only going to get better because we're developing novel therapies that will prolong, if not cure, a lot of our patients. I think that what we're gonna witness very soon is not really to know if there is a treatment for cancer, but rather to know if the treatment works. And what do we have nowadays? Well, this is the best way, I would say, that works across cancer. It's called medical imaging. We can take a patient and see if the treatment is working or if the cancer is back. But imaging comes with problems. You can't do imaging throughout the life of a patient because it's simply too expensive and it exposes you to radiations, which means that it's unsafe if you continue doing that. But sometimes early detection of recurrence, if the cancer has come back, or progression, if the cancer is not responding to a drug, can mean the difference between saving life. What's the paradise? A white slide? No, this is supposed to be some image of a blood and urine sample that's not there, because a urine and blood samples can tell you, perhaps in a much more efficient way, frequently and as many times as you want, whether the cancer is back, whether the cancer has progressed. And at Elypta, this is exactly what we're trying to do. We discovered a novel panel of biomarkers that when you measure them in the plasma or in the urine, they get a signature that we can detect. It's based on metabolism, which is a radically different approach to detecting cancer because every tumor needs to grow. Otherwise, they starve to death. And we measure these metabolites, allowing us to find very, very early stage cancers. And we can do it at a much cheaper cost than looking at different types of biomarkers. At Elypta, we're here to prove that it works for the benefit of patients. Thank you.